Hello everyone! In this video, we will walk you through the complete seller guide for Shopify Multivendor Marketplace by Webkul. We will cover the entire seller journey from registration and dashboard access to product management, shipping configuration, order fulfillment, and payments. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions to increase the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog section, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's see the workflow. The first step is seller registration. To become a seller, open the Marketplace registration page and submit the required details. Once the registration is completed, seller approval depends on the Marketplace configuration. If Auto-Approve Seller is enabled in the Seller Configuration section, the seller account will automatically become active, and the seller can log in immediately. However, if auto-approval is disabled, the Marketplace admin will first review and approve the seller account before granting login access. After approval, sellers can log in using their credentials and access the seller dashboard. This dashboard is the central place to manage products, orders, earnings, shipping, and store information. After logging in, sellers are redirected to the seller dashboard. This dashboard provides an overview of marketplace activities and performance. From here, sellers can access store statistics, top-selling products, recent orders, and out-of-stock products. The dashboard helps sellers monitor store performance and quickly take action where needed. Sellers can also navigate to the Profile section to manage their account and store information. Your seller profile helps customers understand your business and build trust. Navigate to My Account to update profile information. From here, sellers can update their seller name, shop name, store address, city, country, zip code, shop description, and seller policy. Sellers can also update their profile image and store banner image from the My Account section. Under Payment Details, sellers can add the payment information used to receive earnings from the marketplace owner. Under Feedback, sellers can review customer feedback received through the seller profile page. Maintaining a complete profile helps create a professional marketplace presence. Now, let's move to the Configuration section. The first option is General Configuration. From here, sellers can configure the general information related to their store. Next is Shipping Methods section. Shipping is an important part of marketplace management. To configure shipping methods, sellers can click on Shipping Methods. Here, sellers can configure shipping options according to their requirements based on the methods made available by the admin. Sellers can enable or disable shipping options and select their preferred shipping methods as well. Shipping settings directly impact order fulfillment, customer delivery experience, and shipping charges. Review these settings carefully before processing live orders. After that, we have Invoice Configuration. Here, sellers can add invoice details. These details will be displayed on the customer's invoice. Now, let's move to the Products section. Click on Products and then navigate to Product Listing. This section displays all the products available in the seller's dashboard and allows sellers to manage them effectively. Products can be added in two ways, manually or through CSV import. Let's understand how to add products manually. To do that, click on Add Product. Choose the product category, select Normal in the case of a physical product or Digital in the case of a digital product. Now enter the product name, select the product type, write the description, and fill in the required details. You can also upload product images from here. After that, select a collection, enter the shipping details, and then click on Save Changes. Once saved, the product will appear in the Product Listing section. The second method is adding products through a CSV file. For that, click on More and then select Add Product by CSV. Here, you will see that we provide two methods for importing products through CSV files. If sellers want to upload multiple products at once, they can use the Add Product by CSV option. Download the sample instruction file and prepare the CSV accordingly. Then upload it by following the provided guidelines. From the Product Listing section, sellers can view products, delete products, perform bulk actions, and also open products directly in the storefront. Once customers start placing orders, sellers can manage them from the Order Listing section. This section displays all seller orders. To process an order, sellers need to open the order details by clicking on View. From here, sellers can review order information and proceed with fulfillment. After clicking on Proceed to Fulfill, sellers will get the option to click on Fulfill Now. Here, sellers can enter details such as the fulfillment method, tracking number, shipping method, tracking URL, and more. All of these fields are optional. Sellers can fill them in if required and then fulfill the item. Once the order is fulfilled, sellers will be able to see the updated status within the app. Sellers can also generate invoices from here. Next is Order Payments. The Order Payments section allows sellers to track payments transferred by the admin. From here, sellers can view the total earned amount, total paid amount, and total due amount. Sellers can also review transaction details, request payments, and view previous payment records. Regularly reviewing payments helps sellers maintain accurate financial records and monitor earnings effectively. That completes our Shopify Multivendor Marketplace Seller Guide. From registration and dashboard management to product setup, shipping configuration, order fulfillment, and payments, we hope this guide helps you get started and manage your marketplace store more efficiently. And that's all about the workflow of this guide. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.udesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.